Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith, and today I was about to open it, but I've got Love with Food, and I think it's a new design, which is pretty awesome. And then it does say your snack adventure starts now, and as you see on this side, this is 2 meals donated for every
So it's
box
more than last time.
So I thought it was just one,
Or
but
previously.
it's 2. Let me. Sorry, can you please put that aside for me? I feel like my top, I got a large, and it's kind of like, I guess my top isn't as large as I thought because it's kind of falling off of me. But let's open this good. It says, make life delicious. Let me open that. And we're in sweltering California, although it is not as hot today, but if you can see that, that's what it looks like. Let's see, I'm gonna have to use it as a fan. Start eating free snacks, love our new look, share a picture of your box on social, and be sure to tag @LoveWithFood. You could be one of 3 snack influencers to win 1,000 points towards free snacks. Okay, that's what it looks like. And that's what the other side looks like. Yeah, let's get started on what's in here. It says happy snacking, brighten every day with mood boosting snacks, earn free snacks, happy snacking, you're helping families in need, which is what we just said, which is an awesome thing. It's really cool. And that might be super zoomed in. Oh good, beef jerky, Tillamook. I didn't know they made beef jerky.
I know, I was
All-fashioned
like,
beef jerky, all natural beef jerky. Sometimes we're too far away from the camera, and sometimes we're too close. Hopefully that's right about the right size, I hope. But yeah, I'm excited about that. And then nutritional choices, non-GMO mini graham bites made with natural ingredients, honey. So that sounds very good. So far I'm liking it, but you know they'll probably put a coconut in here. So let's see, Mighty Peanut Puffs Protein Power, 3.5 grams of protein per serving, made with real peanut butter, vegan and non-GMO. So that's awesome. It says 4 ingredients. It only has 4. That's pretty cool. Ooh, what is this? This looks interesting. Looks like milk. More morning recovery for when you drink sugar-free dietary supplement. Consume while drinking up to 1 hour after your last drink. If that's like for hangovers, that's pretty awesome. I mean, not that I drink too much, but if I ever did, that'd be great to follow that up with that. That's pretty cool. Then there's vegan Rob's turmeric, right? Is that right? Chips, super grain mini waves, algae, protein, crispy pumpkin. That's definitely unique, so I'll give it that because that's not something I would normally see, algae and pumpkin. Ooh, this is pretty. I don't know what this is. It's ancient Greek grains, breakfast biscuits, olera. I don't know how you pronounce it. It's got like little Egyptian things on it. If you turn it, it kind of has like little men. But that's cool. I don't know if I ever have breakfast biscuits that often, but it sounds like it's a good brand because it's very, what's the word for it? Like an individual.
And that's like the bagel you get at Starbucks.
Everything bagel flavored cashews. Now see, I don't mind if they're flavored with this, but they're usually flavored with like cranberries or something. And so this one should be good. Like that. Let's see. This is Craven Rave's Spikers bite-sized crackers, baked not fried. What was once bland is now amazing. El Nacho Cheese. It's not nacho cheese. No, that's good. Sounds good. Let's see. There's pretzels. I don't usually eat pretzels that much. Salted caramel, especially if they're salted caramel. I don't usually. If they're,
my husband loves pretzels, so maybe she'll donate this to him.
Yeah, I might donate to somebody. I think I've gotten this one before. It's blueberry lemon, simply wholesome, crispy bites. I'm pretty sure me and my daughter shared these before. There's that, and then there's Incredi Puffs, sizzling sriracha, a big bowl blend of chili, garlic goodness, and a wholesome plant-based snack. I don't know why they keep giving me spicy. I mean, I guess there's only a couple things that are spicy, but it'll probably be for my sister or something. Then I've got 2 of these, which they tend to do with the deluxe boxes. They'll give you like double. This is creme de piruline, I don't know, cream-filled wafers. So there's, 2 of those. Should turn that around for you. So you can see that. Those are good, but again, I give them to my daughter sometimes. There's Stretch Islands, fruit leather, apple. I do like these, and I think they give us one almost every month or whatever when I get the box. Then there's Simply Protein Crispy Bars, lemon. It's weird because the protein bars I usually don't eat or don't like most of the time, but I haven't even tried my last one. It's still in my purse, so I'll have to give that a try. And then, scared to see what's in this one. Baked Whole Food Ernest Eats Cran Lemon Zest. But I have a bad feeling. Am I right or wrong?
Maybe it's like coconut in it, or
that's what it looks like to me, but I'm not seeing it, so I hope there's not. It says lots of like sunflower seeds and sugar and brown rice syrup and all this stuff. So it doesn't look like it has coconut, so yay. But just the packaging, the way it looked, I was like, please no coconut. I don't like chewing that taste. But if it did, I'd just give it to my dear sister or someone else who would want it. And then I've got Bubby's Hawaii Try Me Free. See reverse side for details. by Mochi or
Is that the thing we had a hard time finding?
or by Bubbies, I should say. But yeah, that's the problem is this coupon, like that's awesome. They'll give you a free little pack of ice cream, but the closest one for us, we're in one area of Southern California, and then it's the good 1.5 to 2 hour drive to get to it. I'm like, that's not worth the free thing of ice cream. Discover Wine You Love, Bright Cellars. I know my sister would just toss these aside, but I think it's cute that, you know, if you were interested, I mean. And then the last thing is for when you drink the morning recovery card, it just gives you a little bit of information on it. But that's pretty cool because I didn't know. I'll show you the other side too.
I think it just has a lot of like different vitamins in it.
Yeah, I mean, I know like my sister knows, or what is that, coconut water or something? Is that the right word? Coconut water? Mm-hmm. That like replenishes you if you're like dehydrated or whatever, or don't feel good. Yeah, but that was it for this video. This box is around $20 a month, and I did pay for the whole year in advance. I knew I was gonna like it. If this video is quick enough for you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaway. We're doing another one at 150 subscribers, and we are like, I think one person away, probably 3 people away. We'll do one very soon for you guys. Thanks for sticking in with us, and we'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.